Something for you. Yeah, you can open it. Oh, it's a memory game. Thomas memory game.
What's in the inside?
I don't know. You have to open it.
It's Hero! Hero! It's Hero!
It's Hero.
Yeah! Mama! I got Hero! Yeah, I got Hero and one Hero. It's in the wooden.
Uh-huh. The wooden hero.
What inside of this?
What else is in there?
Salty! Now we got salty!
We got salty.
Don't have salty this. He got spot salty. Now we got salty. Ooh, a big one. Diesel 10. We got Diesel 10. I want to open him. Comes. The paper comes. I got salty Diesel 10. Ooh, chocolate is
Ooh.
color this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this Spence. White Spencer and Gordon and Gator. Yeah. Look at. I know it wants to do. Oh, a wiggle balloon. Finally, we got Diesel 10. Finally.
That's not Diesel 10. That's
Diesel 10.
no.
Finally.
That's Diesel. That's Diesel 10. Yeah.
Finally got Diesel. Oh, remember? First you have Diesel. Well, there was friends, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this, baby? That's from Diesel 10. That's a paper from Diesel 10. Oh, Thomas! Johnny had this, Thomas, yeah?
He has that, Thomas?
Yeah. No,
He's-
Johnny
he-
had it.
He's got a different face, yeah?
Yeah.
He's surprised.
Maybe this is field goal.
What's that?
Yeah. Yeah. A railroad track. I got a railroad track for downstairs.
It's the end of the track? The track bumper?
I know. Next time we take it there. Maybe this is field goal. from there, yeah?
Yeah.
I know who it is. But...
Who do you think that is?
Walkie! Now we got Walkie!
Whoa.
Finally! Wow. Oh. Oh. Oh, remember? She rescued James
Yeah, he rescued James.
and Philip rescued him, yeah?
Yeah.
And he tried to get out to get Walkie, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Then Pussy got her. Maybe this is Hugo. Wait. Ooh, this is.
That's part of Rocky.
Walkie stew! This is Walkie stew! Yeah, finally we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Walkies, yeah? Almost. Now look! Harold!
Who is it?
Harold! It's Harold the helicopter! Yeah? Now
We open it later.
Huh?
We can open it later.
oh, put over here, okay?
You have how many more? One more?
Oh no. Give me a field goal. Now we go to school car.
You finally have Spencer's coal car.
Another Spencer we
And
got.
another Spencer.
But I want Hugo.
Hugo, maybe you'll get Hugo later. At your birthday party.
Great idea.
Great idea. Is that everything that's in the box?
Yeah. Oh.
We're all done?
All done?
We had to put the card open this
Oh,
way.
we gotta open the memory game?
Yeah.
Say,
Thank you.
say thank you, Totally Thomastown.
Thank you, Thomas Town.
All right.
Oh, oh.
Thank you.